coupe, you know that bitch, it be coming alive. When I just hop up in that big body, baby, know that you right.
What's good, y'all? Namaste. I'm coming at y'all today with a quick little tutorial on how to make one of my famous sweet potato pies. Actually, I'm going to be making two, so scratch that one. Today, I did go to the store and I grabbed 4 large sweet potatoes, because this is not just an ordinary sweet potato pie. Honey, this is a deep dish, so stay tuned. I have some ginger pumpkin pie mix. Basically, it's just ginger and nutmeg. This right here, I have some golden blue agave sweetener. So instead of sugar and brown sugar, we're gonna be using some agave. I have some Earth Balance plant-based butter. We're not gonna be using the beans, but we will be using at least a half a cup of garbanzo bean or chickpea aquafaba, which is the liquid from inside the can with the garbanzo beans. And then we will be using almond milk. You can use sweetened, but I'm gonna get unsweetened because, I mean, if you want your pie to be really sweet, go ahead, but nah, we gonna do an unsweetened milk, but we will have it sweetened by our agave type of pie today. So you want to learn how to make a cold ass sweet potato pie, deep dish that is, keep watching this video. Alright, so I already have my sweet potatoes boiled. They boiled for an hour, and I kind of cut them up while they were in the pan. I boiled 4 of them, large, and mashed them. I did cut one of them in half just to measure out if I wanted to put that other half on the side or inside the sweet potato pie. So that's how I'm gonna measure out my pie. So now that I have those cut up, I'm going to add our aquafaba first. Remember, that's from the bean can. And once you're done using your some aquafaba out of the can, go ahead and transfer the remaining liquid and the chickpeas to either a bag, like a freezer bag, or a container. So we're gonna put at least a half cup of some aquafaba inside the mixture. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of our vegan plant-based butter. And actually turn your eye on low to medium heat so it can slowly melt the aquafaba, the remaining potatoes, and the butter all together. So we're gonna mix that, mash the sweet potato. And while we mix all that up together, we're going to put some of our agave syrup. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our ginger and nutmeg mix. A drizzle of our agave. And about half cup of our almond milk, and we're gonna give it a good stir. And if you want your mixture to be a little bit more smoother, you can throw it in a mixer, a blender, mixer, whatever. But this recipe is a deep dish, chunky sweet potato pie. But right now what we're doing is combining our mixture together, and we're smashing the potatoes down a little bit more, but we're gonna leave some chunky. So we can have that smooth, creamy, but also flavorful, chunky texture and taste to it. Okay, if you want to, go ahead and give the batter a taste. And you can add in however much flavoring you want to your sweet potato pie. Your sweet potato pie mixture. But yeah. And now we're gonna get our pre-made pie tins. So 1 second. All right, y'all. So we got our pie tins. I just bought these from the store. Didn't want to make one. So I have a regular graham cracker crust. And I also have a brand name Diamond, but a walnut pie crust. And you can actually see like the walnut inside the pie crust. So they both have a flavor to it. They're both kind of sweet. We don't want them too sweet. So you can get both of these at your local Kroger store, Ralph store, Walmart, Myers, etc., Whole Foods, stuff like that. So now what we're going to do, after you've added all your mixes together and you mixed it, we're going to start plopping it onto our pie crusts. We're going to put our pie crusts on here just in case. We're going to start putting our mixture. which let me show y'all how it look. We're gonna put it on our crusts. We're gonna take, that's about 5 huge scoops using spatula, but 5 huge scoops of your mixture, your sweet potato pie mixture. And you're going to just smooth it out. I'm gonna take probably a half, plop it right on top to make it even with the other side. As tall as the crust is. Here's our pie. Let me show y'all. Here's our pie. And yep. So we're gonna put this one down. We're gonna do our other one. Got that one smooth out. So we're going to and our oven is on bake 350. Now we're going to add our pie. I'm going to keep these in here for about 27 minutes to 30 minutes. And with these crusts being already made, I wouldn't have those in the oven too long. So as far as the 27 to 30 minutes should be good. If you're a little bit more cautious, you want a softer crust, then keep this in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah, play it by ear and just watch on it. And there you go. This is our deep dish, smooth but chunky sweet potato pie. My version of sweet potato pie.